Hello, good day. This is Chibuza Agowa. Yeah, and you're welcome to Blogging for Tech channel once again. Yeah, and in this video, basically, I'm going to teach you how you can easily remove background, yes, from an image file. Yeah, that's how you do it, and it's basically useful for those that are into graphic designing. So before we go ahead, I would like you to subscribe to this channel if you're yet to do that, because you get the latest from the information technology world. So what you kindly do is just hit the subscribe button below this video, and also hit the bell notification so that you can easily get the latest once I release my tutorial video on how to. So let's go ahead, and like I said, today we shall be looking at how to easily remove image background. Image background. So if you are into, let me say, graphic designing, maybe you design wedding cards, you design banners for churches, you design posters. There are certain times where you just need an image, just the image without the background, so that you can easily place it in your design platform that you already created. So this is what I will teach you. And before we proceed, I would like you to know that the online tool that I'm going to reveal to you in this video is completely free. Yes, free. You ain't going to pay no dime, and you'll achieve this in just less than 30 seconds. So let's go ahead. This is the website I'm talking about. And as you can see, remove image background, free, completely free. You ain't going to pay no dime. Yes, and this will just take you in less than 30 seconds. That's if you have good internet connection. So let's go ahead. Oh, they actually said in 5 seconds without a single click. So let's go ahead. I'm going to choose an image file that I already have. Yes, my image on this system. So let's go select the photo, and this is my image, and I'll open it. As you can see, it's preparing to upload. Depends on your internet connection speed. Actually, at this moment, I'm experiencing slow internet connection, so this will take a while. Okay, it's almost done. 100% is done. So it's trying to preview the image. Let's wait and see. Bam, that is it. The images are coming. As you can see, yes, this is my image. On the left hand side, yes, you have the original image where you see the background. I'm in a house. Yes, actually I'm in a building, as you can see. But on the right hand side, you see, it's just an image of mine with no background. As simple as that. You see, we achieved this in less than 10 seconds. So it depends on your internet speed. So now that you've removed the background from your images, or from your image, as in this case, you now click what download. You see the green button below the image that has no background. Just click on download. Then you do what I'm saving to my file, and I click on save. It's already downloaded, so let's just preview the image in my download folder. Yes, it should be there. Yes, this is it. As you can see, this is the image with no background. Now the good thing is that you can also edit it using this tool. You can edit it as in and place any background that you want. Now let's click on edit. It's loading the image and the various background that they have already pre-installed in this site, which you can use also for free. And also you can also add your own background images if you choose. If you choose this. So it's trying to load the images that are already pre-installed. Yes, so as you can see, this is the original image with no background, but here I select this. You can see a background with a building behind. I also select this. It will upload. Yes, so you can choose all the ready-made or pre-installed background already on this site. Yes, and it will work perfectly for you. And also, after choosing the background of your choice, you can also download. Let me download this so that you see. So download the image and save. So now let's move to my download folder, and we'll see the image right there. This is it. This is the image with the background. So you can see you've achieved this, or you will achieve this in just less than 10 seconds. you have your image already pre-installed and the background has been removed. So you can see how easy it is. Yes, this is what I want to show you just here in this video, and I'm just hitting straight to the point without wasting much of your time. So what you will do, if you want to get much more or learn much more about this tutorial, you know there are various ways you can also remove background from images in Photoshop, for example. Then you can just quickly hit to the description of this video. I placed the link to a blog post. Yes, a blog post of mine, to my blog post, where you actually see the link to the site that has this free online tool, yes, which you can easily use to remove background from your images. And also I also gave a tutorial on how you can remove background from images using Photoshop. Yes, that's the more reason why I'm directing you to that blog post. So you can easily go to the description of this video, then you see the link to the blog post, and also in the blog post you see the link to this site that has this free online tool. So that is all for this tutorial on how to remove background from images. So like I said, Chibuzo remains the name and Bloginfotech is the channel. So you can easily subscribe to my channel so that you get the latest of my tutorial delivered right into your email address. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell. So with that, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. So take care. You can easily go and give a practice, yes, learn it. After you see the link from the blog post, then you can easily go ahead and remove your background images without no stress. And that is that. So take care, see you next time, and bye.